The Homever electric kettle is an elegant, high-quality, fast, and advanced kettle. It has a 1.7-liter capacity, water gauge, precision digital thermometer control, LEDs, and tea infuser. You can set a custom desired temperature in 5-degree increments. The 2,200-watt heating element ensures that water boils quickly, even faster than most microwave ovens. When the target temperature is reached, the kettle turns off automatically and emits an alert, letting you know that it's ready. The Keep Warm feature allows the water to remain at a set temperature for quick reboils, or to keep the water hot for teas and coffees when needed. By adjusting the temperature, you can ensure that the water is just right for your delicate tea leaves. In addition, it features boil dry protection, so it will automatically shut off if there's no water inside to boil. 360-degree swivel power base with brushed glass is compact and easy clean. If you want a high-quality modern kettle with advanced features, Homever is the best choice for you.